Article 243C of the Indian Constitution deals with the composition of panchayats, which are local government bodies in rural areas. Here's a breakdown of its provisions. 1. Composition of panchayats, 243C, 1. State legislature's role. The state legislature has the authority to make laws regarding the composition of panchayats. Population and seat ratio. The ratio between the population of the territorial area of a panchayat at any level and the number of seats to be filled by election should be as uniform as possible across the state. 2. Direct election, 243C, 2. Election of members. All seats in a panchayat are to be filled by direct elections from territorial constituencies. Division of panchayat area. Each panchayat area is divided into constituencies such that the ratio between the population of each constituency and the number of seats allotted is as uniform as possible throughout the panchayat area. 3. Representation provisions, 243C, 3. Village level chairpersons. The state legislature may provide for the representation of the chairpersons of village-level panchayats in intermediate-level panchayats or district-level panchayats if there are no intermediate-level panchayats. Intermediate-level chairpersons. Chairpersons of intermediate-level panchayats can be represented in district-level panchayats. Members of legislative bodies. Members of the House of the People, Lok Sabha, and the State Legislative Assembly representing constituencies that include parts of a panchayat area can be represented in such panchayats. Council members. Members of the Council of States, Rajya Sabha, and the State Legislative Council who are registered as electors within a panchayat area can be represented at the intermediate or district levels. 4. Voting rights, 243C, 4. Right to vote. The chairperson and other members of a panchayat, whether elected directly or otherwise, have the right to vote in panchayat meetings. 5. Election of chairpersons, 243C, 5. Village level. The chairperson of a village-level panchayat is elected as per the procedure laid down by the state legislature. Intermediate and district levels. The chairpersons of panchayats at the intermediate and district levels are elected by and from amongst the elected members of these panchayats. In summary, Article 243C provides a framework for the composition and election of panchayat members, ensuring representation from various levels and legislative bodies, and sets guidelines for the uniformity of representation based on population ratios. The Constitution of India. Part 9. The Panchayats. Article 243C. Composition of Panchayats. 1. Subject to the provisions of this part, the legislature of a state may, by law, make provisions with respect to the composition of panchayats, provided that the ratio between the population of the territorial area of a panchayat at any level and the number of seats in such panchayat to be filled by election shall, so far as practicable, be the same throughout the state. 2. All the seats in a panchayat shall be filled by persons chosen by direct election from territorial constituencies in the panchayat area and, for this purpose, each panchayat area shall be divided into territorial constituencies in such manner that the ratio between the population of each constituency and the number of seats allotted to it shall, so far as practicable, be the same throughout the panchayat area. 3. The legislature of a state may, by law, provide for the representation a. of the chairpersons of the panchayats at the village level, in the panchayats at the intermediate level or, in the case of a state not having panchayats at the intermediate level, in the panchayats at the district level. B. Of the chairpersons of the panchayats at the intermediate level, in the panchayats at the district level. C. Of the members of the House of the People and the members of the Legislative Assembly of the state representing constituencies which comprise wholly or partly a panchayat area at a level other than the village level, in such panchayat. D. of the members of the Council of States and the members of the Legislative Council of the state, where they are registered as electors within a panchayat area at the intermediate level, in panchayat at the intermediate level. B. A panchayat area at the district level, in panchayat at the district level. 4. The chairperson of a panchayat and other members of a panchayat, whether or not chosen by direct election from territorial constituencies in the panchayat area, shall have the right to vote in the meetings of the panchayats. 5. The chairperson of a panchayat at the village level shall be elected in such manner as the legislature of a state may, by law, provide, and b. A panchayat at the intermediate level or district level shall be elected by, and from amongst, the elected members thereof.